So Gizmos and Science for Us, we participated in last year as a grant. We really liked it. Now with the pandemic this year, we found that it's more vital than ever. So as a district, we went ahead and purchased it for all teachers, K through 12 teaching science. What it is an online virtual program. It allows for teachers and students to participate in lab simulations.
All right, so I'm going to press green for go.
This program really has a lot to offer. They get to manipulate different variables, and a lot of times we don't have those things in the classroom, and so I don't think they'll miss out at all. This program offers a lot of learning at home.
Students have to be able to do lab investigations. They have to be able to manipulate variables. They have to be able to explore problems and come up with solutions.
Comes our seed, growing, growing, growing.
They're able to take science and do it right in their own home, at their own pace, you know, so I'm just excited and relieved and happy because it really is a fun program to use with the students as they are learning science and practicing their science skills.
We're going to continue today with some lab safety.
It makes me feel hopeful. You know, the education's going to continue regardless of the situation. You know, we are dealing with some hard times right now, but with these programs and the support of our administrators and our school district, the kids aren't going to miss a beat. They're going to have everything they need to be successful.